So when we are working with the normalization, we need to know that, or we need to identify what could be the way, or what could be the best way to perform or to make our data more simpler form. So how we can make our table in more simpler form, because as a normalization, or especially when we see about the tables, okay, tables which has more number of attributes, more number of data will be generated over the rows. Okay, so what will happen over here, when we start to perform any execution over the system, or to retrieve any number of data, what will happen, it will take longer number of time, and along with the longer number of time, it will give you a more number of data which is not required, even though the user will give us a more number, or the system will give us a more number of data which is not required. So what we do, we will do more normalization, and as we move from top to bottom, that is unnormal form to first to second, second to third, and as on, it will increase number of, it will increase the number of the tables. Okay, so as the number of table increases, its depth of complexity may increase. Okay, but it will be very easy for a retrieval process from transiting from one state to another state. So let us see the example of it. Okay, before we go, see first, we'll see about theory, what the third normal form says. Okay, so into a last lecture, we have seen an example stating that, stating the this unnormal first normal form. Okay, first the table is this, especially this table is in first normal form. So we have converted this first normal. Okay, this was your this was your homework. uh, okay, some may have done, okay, and some have mailed me or WhatsApp me what is the answer of it. Okay, so here, so someone Preeti has solved the example that this could be the answer of the table. Okay, so this is what the first, the second NF, in which the product and the color is apart. The product ID is there. Here also the color ID is also available. So product price is there, and color ID along with the product we have used an ID. Okay, so what will be here? So this is a primary key of a user. This is the primary key of a color table, and id is a product id is the primary key of product table. Okay, so, and this will color, here the color id will be the foreign key which is in association with the color id. So this is a very of usefulness of particular execution. So it is in the second normal form. Now let us see the examples of let us see the theories of third normal form. So what the third normal form is says, a relation is said to be in third normal form if it is in second normal form. Okay, so after second normal form છે. Okay, so this is my second normal form. Okay, if we have a more number of attributes, what we'll have to do, we'll have to go more precisely, we'll have to go more into the tables. Okay, so what we have. Okay, so here let us have an example of let us have a relational sum of the example of it. Okay, see what do we have here. आज example में આપણે જોઈએ તો શું છે id. Okay, id we have a primary key. Okay, What is the product ID is one, its price is this one. Okay, so the price depends on product ID. Product price depends on product ID. Okay, so here what do we have? And the product product ID also, so color ID also depends on the product ID. What is the product ID? Okay, product is this, product ID is this one, it is of color 1. If a product ID is 2, it is having the color 2. Okay, if it is having a product ID 4, it is also has a product number, the color ID is 3. So here what do we have? We have a repetition over the table. So we cannot consider the same example the over the product ID. Okay, so we'll have to convert this into the another table which has only the color ID 1, 2, 3, and 4, and in that particular table we can have the product ID as the adjoining the attribute. So here this product price depends on product ID, and here in this color ID depends on product ID. Okay, so here is what we can have the attributes for execution that will make our data into the third normal form. So y is we can convert into the second normal form to third normal form. Okay, so one should have also the transitive dependency is a functional dependency between two or more non-key attributes of a relation. Consider the following एक यहाँ example. So the transitive dependency is what? So जम के into last to last week we have gone through the functional dependency. Okay, so there we learned about some transitive dependency, means A to B, B to C, then A to C we can perform the A to C operation because A to B is true and B to C is true. So we can have, with the help of B, we can transit from A to C very easily because A he because A and B will combine, will make a primary key by which we can derive the C attribute. So here also that is what we can say the A to C is true. Okay, that was the last example, and already we have studied long into a match. A equal to B, B equal to C, then C equal to A. We can say. So here also, if we have in A to B and B to C, and so we can propagate from A to C very easily because it has a transitive dependency. કારણ કે C B ઉપર depend કરે છે, B A ઉપર depend કરે છે, તો obviously આપણે કહી શકીએ કે C A ઉપર depend કરી શકશે. Okay, so one more, and as we say non-key attribute of a relation. એટલે A જે છે એ C is not an attribute, is not a key attribute. Okay, it is an attribute but it is not a key attribute. It is an attribute because for a table where A to C is possible. Okay, because C is not a part of, it is not a subset part of A. એનું direct relation નથી પણ transitive relation છે. Okay, so here also we can say જેમ કે father છે, son છે અને grandson છે. Okay, father અને son ને personal relation છે. Okay, direct relation છે. Okay, so what we say, the grandchildren is not a direct dependent on the grandfather because the grandchildren depends on the father and father depends on a grandfather. Okay, so here also we can say that, but inherently we can say the grandchildren depends on a grandfather. So here we can relate such kind of table into the consideration. Okay, so here let us have an example. Here we have an employee table who has an employee number, employee name, job, salary, the project number, and project details. Okay, so let us see. in this above relation that there is a following transitive dependency. Transitive dependency શું છે કે પ્રોજેક્ટ નંબર હોય તો પ્રોજેક્ટની ડિટેલ્સ હોય ઓકે પ્રોજેક્ટ નંબર હોય તો પ્રોજેક્ટની ડિટેલ્સ અવેલેબલ થઈ શકે ઓકે સો પ્રોજેક્ટ ડિટેલ્સ હોય તો આપણને એનો નંબર ના મળે બટ પ્રોજેક્ટ નંબર હોય કે પ્રોજેક્ટ નંબર 5 okay so we can relate that 5 number project is assignment. Okay, six number project number 6 is an exam. So here we have the project details what we need to emphasize as well. Okay, so what we can say, what we can do here, that this table is a part and other table this is a part then other. Okay, so we have a two different number of tables. Okay, now employee, okay, further મારે એને એક્ઝિક્યુટ કરવું હોય તો હું કઈ રીતે કરી શકું કે ભાઈ employee number and employee name. Okay, job, salary, this is a relational table 1, this is relational table 2. Okay, so but who is working on project number 1? Who is working on project number 1? Okay, so here we can I can I can make the one more table with the having the attribute this one, this one. Okay, so how many I have one table and suppose મારે લેવું હોય કે ભાઈ મારે salary. Okay, જે employee number 1 project number, so employee number project number, okay, has a salary this one, so I can make a this one. Okay, apart than this, suppose મારે આ બે ટેબલ નું એક રિલેશનલ ટેબલ બનાવવું હોય તો હું રિલેશનલ ટેબલ easily બનાવી શકું. કેમ બનાવી શકું? Because in this table, in this relational table, we have a hero, that is employee number. Okay, hero means we have a primary key, and in other relational table project number we can make an project number as a primary key. So we can make one more table which has employee number and project number as one more relational table. So the relational number, so the table number 3 has an employee number as an attribute and a project number as an attribute. So both are the hero, but both the hero are can be derived has are the key value of other relational table, that is R1, R2 and R3. So here we decompose this table furthermore into the three main table. Okay, so we have an table 1, table 2, table 3. Table 1 we have the employee number, employee name, job and salary. Table 2 project number, project details, so we have a table number 2. Likewise table number 3 we have employee number and project number. So here what we can have the more relational table and we can decompose this as well. And what, and very most important, which one is the key table? Which one is the key table? Okay, employee. So the table number 3, that is having the two attributes employee number and project number, will be the key table of whole three tables. Okay, ત્રણ માંથી એક આ જે છે employee number અને employee table, that is table number 3 is the key table, because with the help of key table we can derive other two tables. Okay, so employee number we can have employee name, job and salary. So likewise project number we can have the project details. So both the key table, key attributes, a combination of both the key attributes we can have the third table, which is we can say, so A to B, B to C is possible, then A to C can be derived as well. Okay, because even though we cannot have the direct relation to any other table as well. So let us say, so due to the project information can't be maintained independent of the employee record and hence there is an anomaly in the relationship. Okay, જો આ anomalies કાઢવી હોય તો આપણે આ કરી શકીએ. Okay, so let us have the other theories. You can remove the transitive dependency from the relational relation in the following. Okay, so આ એક table છે, આ બીજું table છે. Okay, as we said it is, we have seen it કેવી રીતે કરી શકાય. Okay, so here what the author has done, he has used a foreign key as into the table. Okay, so this is a table number 1, this is a table number 1 of a project employee project na table banaya છે. And one more we can have a both the execution of employee number and project number as a third table. Okay, suppose હું આને ન મૂકું, okay, તો છતાં બી હું આને third transition table માં લઈ જઈ શકું, third normal form માં લઈ જઈ શકું. Okay, suppose I remove it, I can have the details with respect to this. એટલે આની ઉપરથી આ મળી જાય, આની ઉપરથી આ મળી જાય અને આની ઉપરથી આ બીજી બધી information મળી જાય. So this is how we can do. Okay, now complete the example of this. Okay, now okay, let us understand one more thing, that is third nested normal form, that is the here what we have a student table છે, student table, student id, student name, registration number, branch and address છે. ઓકે, આટલી વસ્તુ આપણી પાસે છે. અને આ બીજું સબ્જેક્ટ ટેબલ છે, તો સબ્જેક્ટ id, સબ્જેક્ટ નેમ. ઓકે, સબ્જેક્ટ નેમ. one more table આપણી પાસે છે, that is score. બીજું એક ટેબલ છે આપણી પાસે સ્કોર આઈડી, ટેબલ સ્ટુડન્ટ આઈડી, then subject id, marks and a teacher. Okay, so here what we can have a આખું એક એક્ઝિક્યુશન મારે કરવું હોય તો શું થાય કે સબ્જેક્ટ આઈડી એન્ડ સબ્જેક્ટ નેમ આ એક મારે ટેબલ બનાવું અને સાથે સાથે બીજા બી ઇન્ફોર્મેશન હું એક્ઝિક્યુટ કરી શકું તો મારા આ ટેબલની અંદર કરી શકાય. લેટ અસ હેવ one more example, that employee id, employee nationality, employee department, department type and department name of employee. Okay, so what do we have? We have a total number of attributes over here, attributes and total number of data is available over here. Okay, so what we can have into normal form, મારે આ જેમ કે અહીંયા production છે, purchase છે, design છે. Okay, the nationality is Australian, Australian, American, American. So here what we are having, we have a repetition over the, so this is my unnormal table. હવે મારે unnormal table માંથી મારે બે કામ કરવાના છે. First normal form I will have to convert into first normal form, then second normal form, and with respect to the second normal form we'll have to transit into the third normal form. એટલે આપણે unnormal table માંથી third normal table માં મારે લઈ જવું હોય તો હું શું કરી શકું? Okay, so what I'll have to do, I'll have to uh, so I'll have to first we'll have to find, do we have any repetition? Yes, we have a repetition of 101 Australian, 101 Australian, 1002 American. So what we do, we 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 remove, we segregate these into the one more table. Okay, so what we do, we segregate into these. Sorry, this is, so this is my table number 1. So this is my table number 1. Okay, where what I in this table number 1, what I have, employee id is associated with the national employee nationality. Okay, so here we have only two tuples, 1001 and 1002. Okay, which has an Australian and American. That's it. Okay, another, as employee department is associated with department type and department number of employees. Okay, so here what we can have, the another table with this. Okay, so here we have employee department, that is department type. Okay, department type and employee. So here we have the another table which that is relational table 1 and 2 into a 2 employee department. With the help of employee department, we can identify the department type and department number of an employee. Okay, so we can have a one more other table, that is table number 2. Okay, so what do we have then? Okay, આના ઉપરથી આ મળી જાય, આના ઉપરથી આ મળી જાય, but આ બે અલગ અલગ ટેબલ થયા. Okay, so here we have a table number 1, table number 2. That is, let us say there is table 1, table 1, we have table 2, 2. Okay, so what do we have here? We have table number 1, table number 2, but what about ID and department? આના ઉપરથી એમ્પ્લોયી ની નેશનાલિટી મળે, એમ્પ્લોયી ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ ઉપરથી બીજી ડિટેલ્સ મળી જાય, but what about the whole table? Okay, so we have segregated into first to second normal form. Okay, second normal form માં આપણે કન્વર્ટ કરી નાખ્યું, પણ હવે ફર્સ્ટ સેકન્ડ નોર્મલ ફોર્મ માંથી થર્ડ નોર્મલ ફોર્મ માં મારે કન્વર્ટ કરવું હોય, તો what I'll have to do? I'll have to pick a candidate key, or we can see the two different primary key of two different tables to make a single key. So here what will happen? We will have to take two to make a third normal into a third normal form. Okay, that is the T1, and we make these two as a primary key. Okay, what do we have? To both the primary keys, that is this and this one. Okay, so lateral by saying that with the help of this, what we can say, this is our table number 3. Table number 3, which represents that this is my table number 1, table number 2, table number 3. Okay, so with the help of, so here what do we have? Which one is the key table? This is my key table. Okay, so why it is my key table? Because with the help of employee ID, employee department, we can derive other two tables as well. Okay, so T1 and T2 depends on T3. So the A to B, B to C is feasible because of execution of the all the three different tables as well. So this is in third normal form. Okay, hope so it is clear for all. Okay, so this is the same example. Okay, now you try in your notebook what for both the example 1 and example 2. So your time starts now. I'll give you 3 minutes to compute first one. Example, sorry, no, not the 3, 2 minutes to compute the example 1. Okay, here what we have an author. We have an author details, author number. Okay, then last name, ISBN number. Okay, book title, publisher, edition, and a royalty. Okay, so આની અંદર શું થશે? You will have to find the primary key. You will have to create the first to third normal form. You have to convert into third normal form table. Okay, so please you can as well. If you have a doubt, you can directly ask me. Okay, while raising your hand.
સર
हाँ जी,
અત્યારે આ એક પણ મતલબ ફર્સ્ટ સેકન્ડ એક પણ ફોર્મમાં નથી ને, અનસ્ટ્રક્ચર છે ને?
આની અંદર આ કેવું છે? હવે જો પેલા અનસ્ટ્રક્ચર માં તમને ક્યારે ખબર પડે કે જ્યારે હું તમને ડેટા આપું ટપલ્સ ઇન્સર્ટ કરું ને ત્યારે તમને ખબર પડે બરાબર એટલે તમારે ડાયરેક્ટલી થર્ડ નોર્મલ ફોર્મમાં જ કન્વર્ટ કરવાનું છે
ઓકે સર.
ટપલ્સ આપું ને જેમ કે આની પહેલાના એક્ઝામ્પલમાં 1001 હતું 1002 હતું અમેરિકન અને ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયન વાળો એક્ઝામ એમાં મેં ડેટા આપેલો એટલે તમને ખબર પડે કે આ છે ને અનસ્ટ્રક્ચર્ડ છે કે ફર્સ્ટ નોર્મલ ફોર્મમાં છે એટલે તમે થર્ડ નોર્મલ ફોર્મમાં ખબર પડે આ આપણે રિલેશનલ ટેબલ ની અંદર એટ્રીબ્યુટ્સ ઉપર જ રમત રમીએ છીએ ડેટાના તો આપણે જોતા જ નથી હવે ઓકે હવે આપણે એટલા એક્સપર્ટ થઈ ગયા છે એવું સમજીએ છીએ કે આપણે ડેટાને કાઢી નાખીએ હવે એટ્રીબ્યુટ હા બોલો 13 નંબર okay done okay let us see what is there into the example okay so what do we have here to convert into the third normal form that is author this is my first table see this is my author number and last name okay author see here the arrow what is does it shows that the transitive dependency that is a to b is possible okay આ જે તમે લાસ્ટ ટેબલમાં તમે જોયું ઓકે this is author number છે name છે હવે હું સપોઝ મારે author નું લાસ્ટ નેમ જોઈતું હોય તો હું શેના ઉપરથી કાઢી શકું author number ઉપરથી કાઢી શકું એક આ ટેબલ છે okay so this is my primary key and this is my attribute okay another table see this is what so this is what uh, let us having a color that is good one. See ISBN is always of a book okay and every book has a title okay now If we have a book, we have a book title. Okay, if we have a book title, someone has wrote that book, so we have an publisher. Okay, if a publisher has published a book, okay, that means it has an edition. Okay, first edition, second edition, third edition. Okay, so these all four attributes are associated with a book. Okay, so let us say this is my book table. Okay, this is my author table. This is my book table. Let us write as well. Okay, so what do we have here? Having book book table. We have, what do we have? This is author table, and this is a one more table which has an ISBN number, author number, and royalty. Okay, because royalty depends on depends on an author ने कितनी royalty मिली, but is author is been identified with the help of ISBN number. So here what do we have? These and this, the combination of these and this with the help of key attributes. Okay, so we can make a one more, that is we can derive the royalty, that is one more attribute, we can derive one more attribute as well. So this is how we can have the table number of, okay, of a book. So what do we have here? We have a royalty table. Okay, we have a royalty table. So here we have three tables, that is author table, book table, and royalty table. With the help of these two, that is the primary key of author table and primary key of book table, in a combination, that is makes a candidate key, and with the help of candidate key, okay, we can manipulate the royalty. Okay, royalty કોને જાય છે? Okay, royalty જાય છે કોને જાય છે? ઓથર ને જાય છે. ઓથર ની બુક નંબર કયો છે? આ છે. So ultimately the author is getting a royalty with respect to the author number, and author number has a unique identity ISBN number. So ISBN ઉપરથી આપણને એ આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ થઈ જાય કે આપણે કેટલી રોયલ્ટી મળે છે. Okay, so here what do we have? We have this particular example. Okay, એક આ છે. Okay, જે first, second અને third આપણે એડ કરી શકીએ. Okay, one more thing, what is the publisher? Okay, one more is publisher. હવે અહીંયા આ જે ટ્રાન્ઝિટિવ ડિપેન્ડન્સી આપણે અહીંયા આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરી છે, તો શું થશે કે ટ્રાન્ઝિટિવ A to B આપણે લઈ જવું છે, તો we can also make these, we can manipulate these and this, and પબ્લિશર એક અલગ મૂકી દઈએ. ઓકે, આ કરીએ તો બી સાચું છે. ઓકે, અને આ કરીએ તો બી એ સાચું છે કે આ અને આ બે ટેબલ અલગ અલગ ટેબલ મૂકી શકીએ છે. ઓકે, એક થર્ડ એક પબ્લિશર, બીકોઝ પબ્લિશર જે છે એ પબ્લિશર શું કરે, બુક ટાઇટલ છે એને પબ્લિશ કરે, બુક ટાઇટલ છે કોઈ પબ્લિશર પબ્લિશ કરે. ઓકે, તો પબ્લિશર નું નામ આવે કે આ પબ્લિશર જે છે, જેમ કે ટાટા મેગ્રો હિલ છે ત્યારે કયા કઈ પબ્લિકેશન કરી છે તે બધા ટાઇટલ્સ આવે. ઓકે, સો હિયર ટાઇટલ ઉપરથી આપણે બુક પબ્લિશર આપણે આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરી શકીએ. જેમ કે કમ્પ્યુટર નેટવર્ક્સ છે, તો કમ્પ્યુટર નેટવર્ક્સ ની અંદરથી આપણે કમ્પ્યુટર નેટવર્ક્સ ઉપરથી આપણે શું આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરીએ? કમ્પ્યુટર નેટવર્ક્સ ઉપરથી આપણે publisher કોણ છે? ટાટા માઇક્રો હિલ છે, તો we can identify as well. So we can, this is what our probable outcome of it. Okay, probable the table we can create into the third normal form. Okay, so this is how we have done over the third normal form. Okay, now you do one more example, that is example number 2, that is employee department convert this into the third normal form. Okay. Okay, you have so let us make this into your homework. Okay, so no need to re-log in અને જેવી attendance છે. Okay, with the help of your login I be able to, with the help of table your login I be able to have your attendance as well. Okay. Okay, if you have a doubt you can ask me. Okay. Okay, you no need to re-log in. તમે આ એક્ઝામ્પલ જે સેકન્ડ એક્ઝામ્પલ જે છે એ તમે ઘરે બી કરી શકો છો. Okay, so who finish it or who be able to finish it, you can WhatsApp me. So in the next session we will go to with the name that this fellow has completed, like what could be the result. Okay, so you can do as well. તમે ઘરે બી કરી શકો અને પછી મને પોસ્ટ કરી દેજો. Okay, so no need to go re-log in. In the next session we will see about